Hey guys, Cam here, and this glorious piece of shimmering gorgeousness is the Sony Xperia XZ3, the latest flagship offering from Sony Mobile. It's glossy, iridescent, and stunning to look at. The metal edges are chromed and coloured to match the glass on the back, with a Type-C connector on the bottom, volume rocker on the right, and the SIM and microSD card tray on the top. Now there's a single 19 megapixel camera on the back, and that's capable of shooting 4K HDR video and 960 frame per second super slow motion at 1080p. A 6-inch screen on the front is a notchless, curved 18:9 OLED panel with slim borders on the sides, boasting Quad HD resolution and 548 pixels per inch. It also happens to boast HDR compatibility. It's Android Oreo, and the skin on top has a feature called Side Sense for easy one-handed access to your apps. Inside, there's a Snapdragon 845 processor, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, as well as a 3330 mAh battery with support for wireless charging. Now, from first impressions, it seems like the Sony flagship we've been waiting for years. But time will tell if that's the case in day-to-day life. I'll see you again soon.